Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. So we're opening up the Sips by box for April. Sips by is a monthly tea subscription. It is personalized, so when you subscribe, you fill out a profile, let them know all the details of the teas you like, don't like, caffeine levels you like. There's so many good details on there. You can let them know, so it's very personalized to your tea palette. I don't know if that's how you say that, but yeah, so it's $16 a month. I will link them down below. I do have a code with them to say, well, it's not my personal code, but it's like SIPS5, I believe, to get $5 off your first month. I will leave my affiliate link along with that code if you're interested in subscribing. You get 16 teas every month, and I absolutely love it. I wasn't going to film today, but I really want some tea. So let's get started. I went out to lunch with a friend, and I was like, okay, oops. Hopefully I didn't just show you guys my address, but I went out to eat, and I was like, okay, I'll take one more day off because my family was here. It's kind of been like my own vacation in a way, but nearly a break. Looks like when you open it up, made with love, uniquely for you. Oh yeah, I always forget about this. They have a weekly tea happy hour and flash sale Thursdays at 4 p.m. Central Time, and you can scan this code here to see all of their membership offers and stuff like that. And then here are the teas for me. Hi Kitty. Springtime is just around the corner, promising warmer weather and the first blooms of the season. While we wait for its arrival, we hope you enjoy cozying up and sipping the teas we've chosen for you this month. Show us your favorite teas from your Sips by box using hashtag Sips by box and tagging at Sips by to enter to win a free month. So that's a cool perk they have too. And they give you some information here, like how to brew it. Does anyone actually measure the temperature of their tea? I'm curious. The ingredients, caffeine level, and a description. Very nice. Oh, it looks like, is this... Yeah, okay, for a second I was like, does that say 2007? But maybe this is a March box, I'm not sure. But let's get started with this one here. So we have Ginger Peach by the Republic of Tea. Tea for longevity, round black tea bags. Enjoy this environmentally friendly, round, unbleached tea bag, free of wasteful strings, staples, and tags. They have a little quote there. So this is made with the finest black tea leaves, natural peach flavor, and ginger. And this has high caffeine. This great tasting black tea offers the sweet lushness of peach seasoned with the tingle of spicy ginger. Exceptional over ice. Ooh, that sounds good. I'm really thirsty right now. And I need some caffeine. But it's actually not too hot today in Florida. It kind of feels nice. It was like 78. And we must have a loose leaf tea because we have some reusable muslin cloth tea bag with disposable bags inside. I love that they give this to you if there is. So let's see. This one right here. This looks cute. Steep Society. Oh, is this by Sips by, or do they make this special for them with the box? That's adorable. Dear tea lover, I started Sips by as a lonely tea enthusiast until I met Mal. We became tea BFFs at first sip. Oh man, that's so cute. And today, thousands of tea sits later, we still love uncovering hidden tea gems from around the world together. Welcome to the Steep Society, Stacy and Mal. So it looks like this is an Earl Girl Grey. The Steep Society invites you to share a cup of the zesty, innovative blend. Savor this classic British black tea transformed with fragrant citrus peels and a bright hint of cornflower petals. This lady grey tea tastes uplifting and light while still being comfortable on a cold day. So there's black tea, citrus peels, flavored cornflower petals. And it tells you how to steep it and all that. And it says high caffeine. So that's cool. They made this together. Oh, best friends. Girl Grey tea. So yeah, it says high caffeine. Nice. This sounds really good. Ooh, we have some matcha. Coconut matcha. Nice. Creamy, sweet, smooth. This is resealable. And it tells you 3 different ways. I've gotten this brand a few kinds. I had blueberry matcha. Was that last month or the month before? And like regular matcha, I think. All very good. The coconut matcha. This sounds really nice. Iced. Medium caffeine. And it says, and this is by 3 Leaf Tea. Coconut matcha is 3 Leaf Tea's #1 top seller of all time and the first flavor they ever blended. So creamy and smooth, you won't want to put it down. Ooh, that sounds really good too. Oh, and then last but not least, ooh, this says Focus on it. Nice. Tulsi Focus by Organic India. raspberry lemon, mental clarity and cognitive support. So it does have caffeine. It says it has medium caffeine. Nice. Let's see what it says here. All organic ingredients. There's black tea, Krishna Tulsi, Rama Tulsi, Vana Tulsi. Wow, there's a lot of ingredients. Hibiscus, Goda Cola. Sorry, it's really light. I can barely read it. Ashwagandha. Ooh, cinnamon, Gaduchi, Shankpushpi, I'm so sorry. I'm probably butchering this, but then I can know these ones. Turmeric, ginger, sage, cardamom, raspberry flavor, lemon flavor extract. So again, medium caffeine. This one you have to steep a little bit longer, 5 to 10. This unique formulation of adaptogenic herbs, nootropic botanicals, and black tea is infused with sweet, tart raspberry and lemon for a delicious flavor profile and daily cognitive support. Likely caffeinated. Try this one iced. Ooh, I might have to try that. It's like 3 something right now, so I didn't want to have something too caffeinated. And with I definitely want something iced. I'll probably save this one for the morning. I think I want one of the fruitier ones. Either ginger peach or this Tulsi Focus. Probably make one of these next. I haven't decided yet, but I have decided that I want iced. But those are all my teas, you guys. I love Sips By. I've really gotten into teas the past year or so. I love it in the afternoon or like late mornings. It's my favorite. And these all sound so good. And they're so different. They're not things I would probably pick up on my own. So I love this. So if you're into tea or know someone else who is, I think Sips By is a great way to explore it and try new ones. Definitely recommend. Again, I will link them down below. Thank you guys so much for being here. Thank you, Sips By, for sending me this box, which, by the way, they did send it to me free for review. And I do have an affiliate link, so thank you to anyone who uses it. At no extra cost to you. I do get a small commission for those who use it. So thank you, thank you, thank you. But not sponsored or anything like that. So yeah, thank you, Sips By. Thank you guys for being here. I love you so much. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video, leave a comment, and I will see you in the next one. Have a great day or night. I love you. Bye.